Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So a profile lock adds an extra layer of privacy by requiring a PIN to access a specific profile. Perfect for protecting your watch history, recommendations and settings. So first thing, open Prime Video settings. Okay, so launch Prime Video, so make sure you are signed in, go to profile icon. Okay, you can also get in your Prime Video in your on your phone, okay, whether you are using Android or iOS. So go to the profile icon, go to settings or manage profiles. Okay, security settings are managed here. So as you can see, we have here two profiles. Okay, so you tap edit profiles from here first before we choose which profile we want to edit or set up the profile lock. So you can do it from here or you can do it from the settings itself. Okay, so that the first one, and the second one is this account and settings. Okay, here you have to find the option of parental controls. Okay, choose the profile you want to lock. Each profile can be managed separately. Okay, so each enable profile lock, like find profile lock, turn it on, you will be promoted to create a PIN. Okay, set your PIN, enter a 4 or 5 digits. Okay, confirm the PIN, and choose something secure but memorable. Okay, so that's the first method. The second method from here, as I told you, for example, from here profile, and you manage, and then you get your profile or PIN profile from here. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.